And now we're gonna jump right into meeting our first competitor of the day for World Latte Art Championships, representing Malaysia, Nicky Voon Pei Xin. But before we start, we're gonna take a quick look at the screen for her highlight video documenting her journey, so check it out.
So, thank you so much. Nicky Voon, from Malaysia. She will start with her performance.
Best of luck.
Thank you. Hello. My text. Morning and good afternoon in Malaysia. Morning. Judges, are you ready? Okay, time. Hello judges, I'm Nicky from Malaysia. I'm so excited to be here in the final round, standing on this amazing stage, and I can't wait to share with you about my passion. Please wait a moment, and I will get back to you. All right, judges, let's talk about the birds. When talking about birds, we all will think of freedom, right? Especially a flying one. So my first design will be a flying parrot. By looking at it, I hope you all can feel the freedom. Excuse me. Let's start the first one. It's such an amazing pattern. Please enjoy. Let's start the second one. Alright, and the second one is for you. Please enjoy. And I will right back for my second design. All right, judges, let's move on to my second design, will be a rhino. For me, rhino is strong and tough. But you look at me, although I look small, but I'm strong, like a rhino. Let's start the first one. Excuse me. Alright, the first one, please enjoy. Let's start the second one. Wow, please enjoy. Sorry. And I will wrap it for my last design. Thank you. Alright, judges, my last design will be a poodle. It's elegant, and confident, just like both of you. Thank you for your waiting. Sorry. Let's start the second one. now we'll add some details on it. Excuse me, the first one, enjoy. And the second one, please enjoy. Thank you. Time.
And that was Nicky Voon representing 103 Coffee Workshop from Malaysia. Hey, Nicky.
Hi.
Come on over.
Hello.
Hello. Third time seeing you on the stage during this competition. Congratulations for making it to the finals. How are you feeling?
I'm so happy, and then I'm so proud of I'm the Malaysian. Yeah, because I'm the representing Malaysia, and then step in the world stage, and then I'm happy that because I'm improved a lot because this time I step into the top 6. Yeah, just enjoying the movement just now, so you can see many pattern like.
I think whatever happens now, you should be super proud of yourself. You know, top 6 is absolutely nothing to sniff at. You've done a really good job. Is there anything that you would say to anyone who is looking to compete for the first time ever?
Okay, the first need to thank my coach Erwin, and then also my boss Ken Wong, and then Jewel, and then also my team 103 Coffee. Thank you so much. Without you all, I can't focus my competition. Thank you for my team, and then all the Malaysia supported. Thank you.
Fantastic. So thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, judges.
Thank you, judges. And that was Nicky. Well done. Take a break,
you.
Nicky. You can go backstage now. And we are going to be back shortly with our first Coffee and Good Spirits competitors. And we've got a couple of great co-hosts coming up. So stay tuned for that.